Picture next month's S-Rent Day. An unexpected $880 car repair tries to ambush your checking account, but fails because you coolly tap transfer from emergency fund. The mechanic swipes, and you drive off stress-free. Right now, though, that fund shows $12.46, meaning one pothole could torch your budget. Whether you sprint to a $1,000 buffer in 30 days or keep white-knuckling, each surprise hinges on 7 snap decisions you'll make during this video. Lean in, type rescue mode in the comments if you'll actually answer every fork. I'll heart the first 100 and drop them on tomorrow's leaderboard. Algorithm rocket fuel. Scene 1, reality check or denial. Mint notifies. You paid $97 in overdraft fees last year? Option A, archive the email. None with memes. Option B, screenshot feline. Set it as phone wallpaper to weaponize disgust. Comment A or B, scene to bank shuffle. Your current checking leaks money the moment it lands. Option to keep one account. Option B, open free high-yield savings, nicknamed Lifeboat. Enable auto transfer $25 every payday at 9 a.m. Type A or B. Pattern interrupt number 1. Flash 2-second. B-roll of auto transfer animation retention pop. Scene 3. Cash drag or cash dash. Weekend plans loom. Option agree to pricey brunch, $45 tab. Option beep. Pitch $5, waffle mix cook-off at home. Save $40, drop into Lifeboat. Vote A or B. Scene for declutter dollars. Closet stuffed with gadgets. Option, a postpone selling. Option B, ChatGPT prompt. Craft Facebook Marketplace listing copy for barely used GoPro. A set price $180. Payment Zelle only. Funds land same day. Comment A or B. Mid-video engagement spike. Tell viewers to screenshot their emoji string so far, and I guess the Dory tag at Money Loop. I caption emergency fund in progress. I'll repost all tags and highlight fund wins, sending new eyeballs to replay. Scene 5, side hustle sprint. DoorDash sign up page open. Option. Close tab. Too tired. Option B. Schedule 3-hour dinner shift Friday. Average $68 gross? Comment A or B. Pattern interrupt number 2. Overlay live DoorDash earnings, screenshot a PMean hit. Scene 6. Subscription slasher, Rocket Money scan. $162, mow across subs. Comfort of maybe used someday. Option B, cancel 3. Redirect savings to Lifeboat via auto rule. Vote A or B. Scene 7, tax refund fork. $476 refund pending. Option a splurge on new shoes. Option B, IRS. Split deposit. 80% gives Lifeboat. 20% fund. Type A or B. Scene 8, windfall wisely. Aunt gifts $100 birthday cash. Option a random spend. Option B, commit found money rule. 100% into emergency fund. Comment A or B. Pattern interrupt number 3. Strobe bar graph. Fund balance leaps $124, gives $748 retention saved. Scene 9, bill cycle hack. Credit card due date sits a week after payday, causing float stress. Option A, leave it. Option B, call issuer, move due date closer to paycheck, plus enable auto pay minimums to dodge late fees. Is OB. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.